Hi folks, as you can see, I've got puppies now, and yeah, I know I'm the sneezing sniffler, but I have no time to record my sneezing because I'm so busy with not only this puppy, but I don't know if you can see, but we have 9 puppies. I don't know if you can see them. We have 9 puppies and they're 9 weeks old. I have posted a video. It's called Charlie and Her 9 Pups. It's under one of my playlists called Golden Retrievers. And yeah, just an update. Look at them. Look at these. Look at this puppy Golden Retriever. It's 9 days old. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Okay, folks. Oops a daisy. Now put the puppy down because she's crying. Or he's crying. Anyway, that's just an update. And it's now, I think, about 2:30 in the morning. They're on the last feed. And then they're going to go to sleep. And then I can go to bed. Okay, folks. Love you all. Bye. I will sneeze one day. Well, I do sneeze, but I have no time to record them. Love you all. Bye. That's better. Bye.